Today we're making eggless chocolate lava cake. Start by buttering your ramekin or muffin pan. Make a special dusting powder by combining unsweetened cocoa powder and sugar. Mix well. Now add the special dusting powder into each ramekin or muffin well. It's kind of messy and it should look like that. Next, sift in your flour, cocoa powder, and lots of sugar, especially if you're using unsweetened cocoa powder. Add your salt, baking soda, and baking powder, and whisk that all together. Next, add in your melted butter and your oil. I like using both, but you can just substitute for just melted butter or just oil. And your vanilla extract. Now slowly add in your milk. Keep adding milk until all the milk is used or your mixture is pretty liquidy. Pour in your batter about 3/4 of the way and then add a few pieces of chocolate in the middle. If you dusted more muffin holes than needed, just wipe it off. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes and let cool until it's not burning hot. Sprinkle with some powdered sugar to serve, and I recommend adding more chocolate pieces for more lava.